Are you serious right now, bro?
Is this nigga serious?
What the hell? No, Bryce.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
YouTube, what's going on, guys? This is your boy OTK Vlogs back in today with yet again another video. We are back at it again with the Phantom Nation 7-Eleven night meet, I guess is what you call it. We are heading out there once again today. I know I just dropped a video of that yesterday. I know I was pretty late with that one. I promise I won't be late with this one right here. But we got a lot of car shows this weekend. I just been to Greensboro Cars and Coffee this morning, and then tomorrow we got Raleigh Cars and Coffee, and then the Import Expo thing in Mooresville. Yeah, a lot of car meets, y'all, a lot of content. So y'all stay tuned. But right now we are at the car wash. I'm about to get the Jenny washed up right now, you guys. Pretty dirty. The wheels are just nasty looking. Like, look at this one right here. It's like it hasn't been washed in years, bro. It's freaking disgusting. I'm finna get the Jenny washed up, and then we're gonna head out to the car meet. But I really need some energy drinks. I'm tired. I only had like 4 hours of sleep. I will pick up the camera whenever I get done cleaning the car.
A few minutes later.
All right, y'all. As you see, we got the Jenny washed up. She clean. I kind of missed out on a few spots or whatever, because I got a little bit distracted, but you know. Gonna head out to the Phantom Nation night meet in Raleigh. I'm about to just put this tire shot on, and then I'm gonna hit the road. She's looking clean, she's looking clean. All right, ladies and gentlemen, your boy has made it to the meet. Sadly, I had to park all the way over here with the spectators, but you know, I'm not a show car, so. Anyways, we're finna get this walk around and see what we can find here, y'all. There's a whole lot of cars and spectator lot, of course, but we're gonna go to the main lot real quick, y'all. Dog already. This guy. I just walked over here. Y'all remember last time I was posted up right here, but well, I don't know if we could do that again. Yeah, that boy swear about lying to tell, bro. I guess while I try to find my boy, I'm gonna just look at these cars here though, y'all. So got the Subis, the Supra. We got the 86 Toyota right here, and we got my boy Beamer Kev. We got the Jenny here, the famous Jenny. This too though. But now we got this Ferrari here. I didn't even pay the same mind. We got this Ferrari 360. Never see these are rare. BMW, Lotus. Man, you being rowdy too, bro. Relax. Oh boy. Back at you on the foot races.
They're calling me.
Oh, that's you.
They calling me.
Remember from last time? No, I gotta speak on this 240 real quick, bro. This is the famous one from one of my reels, bro. Oh, she's drifting. When he did a drift at La Buena Vida. This shit fast as hell, bro. Where Bryce? That boy. God damn it, Bryce. He always showing off. Stupid. See, I want to get like that when I go out, bro. And my boy Mexican 101 pulling up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That boy Dakota's just tweaking. Everyone just tweaking, bro. Especially this guy. He has kids in there. He's tweaking. RX-7 in the cut. Nice, nice. Bro, these Mopars keep cutting up, bro. Nah, this is nice. I really see FE RX-7s. Bro, it's slammed. The whips are on there. We got the Elka, 350Z. We got more Elkas, and then we got this green BMW that's about to come around the corner. Sheesh. Nah, that M3 is sick though. I like that. It's a nice color. Oh, what's my boy in there? Yerp, yerp. Yo, bro. What up, what up, bro? That boy was telling me, he's like, yo. And there's Mopars. Oh, I know him.
Boy, if you don't get your squiggly diggly head out.
I remember this guy. Dude,
fuck we making these raps?
Damn, boy. Gizmo. Bro, trying to recruit people to race. I ain't racing today, y'all. Where did you guys even come from, bro? Look, look, just be spawning in.
He said where they come from. What's that?
Like on. Bro, anything to get the angle, that's crazy. Dog. My God, I could just really step on these wheels, man. What the hell? Look at the interior, bro. You can see the wheels from the inside. What's up, bro? Alright, we're currently here in the gas station, and bro, what the hell? Why do they have Barbies here? What the hell?
Never mind.
Wait, what? What's bro to do? Why these guys are still at it? They're still at it? Oh. Oh, shit. That's my neighbor. All right. Martin, what the hell are they doing? Dog, relax. Typical. They're taking over the spectator lot. Oh shit! I
already won my first one.
You going up next?
Yeah.
Bro, my neighbor is tweaking, bro. Why they trying so bad?
Alright, thank you, Coach.
That's the shit that gets us thrown the fuck out of here.
Typical Mopars.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, he is frustrated as.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Set, go!
Oh damn.
Oh,
He's
fast
fun.
as fuck, boy.
You see it in your head, bro. This guy. I'm fucking weak. Yes, you can say. I don't know. Shit clean though. And 5-0.
My nigga.
For real? Yeah, actually. It's gonna be awkward as hell.
Hell, is he look back to back?
Yeah, he follows you all the time.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, all the time.
Las Trocas or whatever you say. Oh, God. It's not even him driving it, bro. What the hell? That's crazy. That's not even the same person. I love this. I like this. This is my favorite G35, bro. See that? I swear this is the ump from Modify Mustang, bro. But we just got random cars just run. Oh no, not the Mopars. Oh Lord. That man, bravo. I'm not doing that again. Nah. You're not fast. Boy, that B-roll. Bro, what is this monstrosity? Dines. Got more Chevy Boy coupe. Yes, sir. I think it is. Yes, sir. The boy getting the mods on though. Every time I see him, bro, he always has new mods on. And lost. Oh well. This guy's definitely gonna win.
Everybody jump in this car real quick.
My fault, bro.
Bro, look at his front back bumper, bro. My God, dog. GTA server. But nah, this car is everywhere, y'all. And these bikes keep fucking up. Dude, they're fucking multiplying. They're taking over the street. Damn, bro. Damn. Ah, damn, slow down. Dog, there's no way, bro. Alright, CO1, nice. Sheesh. Bro, just picked it up. Nice.
Truck. He doesn't even roll cool. What the fuck? No, I know you're not talking shit when you were short. Oh, here come young boy.
Dog, these guys are all over Capitol. Bro, these people keep rolling here so fast. He said, no. You're right. Too much dinero. This guy can't even see you leaving, bro. That's the funny thing.
That's what he said. He said, how the Uber just get here?
Or something. Oh, that is what the hell? Yes, bro. God, that's fucking wild, dude. Bro, the wheels poke out more than the damn tires. It's crazy. These dudes, they just don't stop, bro. They just don't stop, man.
Here we go!
Bro, what? Bro, where are these bikes coming from, dog? God damn, that Mopar! Move! You ruined my shot, bro. You ruined my shot, man. Do it again. What's it? Yes, sir. My boy here in a whole suit, bro. What the hell, bro? Just got from church. Damn. Why is she recording for, bro?
He thought you were saying what's up.
Oh, it's Tony.
Oh damn, this is good.
Yeah. Oh. Woo! It's him. Oh, there they go.
Why did I think that was
That dude's a
good action?
Ew. My neighbor. No, he doesn't. No way, bro. That C6 is coming out. No. Ooh, they're running for that shit. Hey, rev it one time.
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
Never mind. Austin! What about Austin? Yes, sir. I got you some. Oh, what the fuck? Where'd the cop come from?
The cop was sitting at the trees right there.
Oh, he was in the tree?
Yeah, so
Oh my god, dude.
stop. Hey, hold up, hold up, hold up. Bro, yo, look how many people are just over here, bro. There's like at least 200 people standing on the road right now, bro. I swear someone's coming. These guys been getting in the way. Damn, we got cop blocks. Uh-oh. Anywho. Dog, they're just taking over this whole plaza. It's just fucking stupid. Why no damn well you ain't crossing the road. He's cooked. He's cooked. He's cooked. He's cooked.
Nah, he's gonna run. I know he is.
It's like Tom and Jerry. Got a new damn car. Hey, yo! He's scared. What the fuck? He didn't even look. Damn. I almost got taken down, dog.
Another one.
Yeah, I gotta wash my ass, bro. Just a GTA lobby, bro. Cars everywhere. Damn. Some big boys. Shit, that boy shoots some flames. No flames. Oh, late. Oh, the cop. He's just looking. heated. He is ready. Oh, hell. Good job. Bro, man, you could have done a slide, bro. That's crazy. God damn, what the hell is that? Ah, damn. Damn, where did both of them come from? Oh, they shutting down? Look at it, though. Bro, what the hell? I thought it was the unk for a second. Definitely. I think probably. What the hell? It's bro. Oh, it's that guy. That's the guy from my last meet. No fucking way, bro. They're back again. Damn, I wish you could do a pull.
Boy, ain't no fucking way.
That's so
boy.
funny though.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Oh hell. Yeah, she came back. Felipe! Bro rolled his windows down. My dog. What are you even doing?
Are you serious right now, bro?
Is this nigga serious?
I just got the best. What the hell? No, Bryce. What the hell? Let him lock in, bro. Let us get his aura up. Yes, sir. You can actually get pulled over for shooting flames. That's crazy. I didn't even know.
You stupid.
I don't understand. I didn't let him go. Yeah, I didn't let him go, I think. Oh, never mind. Oh, they did that because all the people over here. That makes sense. Never mind, they didn't let him go. All right, man. Go ahead and try it. Even I can barely see you on camera. It's I
really got that motherfucker.
Debbie Mans. Austin. That is not something BMW at all.
It did not. That shit sounded like Yo, Bree, if you're watching this video right now, I just want to let you know I got a thing for you, girl. You know what I'm saying?
No way. That shit watch my damn video. She ain't following me.
Job, and it ain't so. Y'all, they're all around a lot. They're out their cars and stuff. I think they're trying to get people to leave. I'm not sure, but they're like one here, one there, one there. There's another one on the other side, and then there's like two down there. They stopped my boy Bryce for shooting flames. It's just crazy. Damn, there's another one down there too. What the fuck? God, there's cops everywhere. Bro, there's a whole state trooper out here. What the fuck? What's the state trooper doing out here, bro? Alright, y'all, it's literally 9 o'clock as you can see. So the meet is dying down. I think folks are finna starting to leave. So mostly everyone's leaving. But yeah, man. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. I'm finna head up out of here. Once again, crazy meet at 7-Eleven. I do not know if they're gonna host here again because the craziness, but once again, it's all their fault because the cops should have been posted up in the first place. But well, thank y'all so much for watching the video. I'll see y'all on the next one.